Organizations for Women in the Entertainment Industry. Chapter 1. Women have a lot of jobs in the entertainment industries. Women's arts and entertainment organizations at curli.org/n/society/people/women/business/organization/by_industry/arts_and_entertainment. AWSMonline.org, AWSM, the Association for Women in Sports Media. Dedicated to the advancement of women in sports media-related fields. IAWRT.org, the International Association of Women in Radio and Television. International organization of professional women actively engaged in the production and management of programs in the electronic media or broadcasting. IWIC.wordpress.com, Women in Photography International. Promotes the visibility of women photographers and their work. Offers member profiles and portfolios, membership information, career resources, and discussion board. IWMF.org, International Women's Media Foundation, IWMF. Programs designed to move women into key positions in the news media by providing them with the information, skills, and connections they need to succeed. Describes regional projects, awards, and research results. WCT-FCT.com, WCT-FCT. Women in Communications and Technology. Canadian not-for-profit organization supports the advancement of women in the communications field, providing information and services. WICT.org, Women in Cable Telecommunications, WICT. A US-based organization which offers training, networking opportunities, and job resources, with local chapter sites. WICTEurope.com, WICT Europe. Women in Cable Telecommunications Europe is a network that recognizes great female leaders and talent within our industry via networking, development programs and recognition. WIPP.org, Women's Institute for Freedom of the Press. Research, education, and publishing organization, to increase communication among women and reach the public with women's experience, perspectives, and opinions. Describes programs and activities, with list of associates. Womensmediagroup.org, Women's Media Group, WMG. Provides a forum for networking, career development and advocacy for women who have achieved prominence in the many fields of media. Member directory, newsletter, and internship program. Women's Film and Television Organization websites. American Women in Radio and Television. 703-506-3290. ART.org. Women in Film, WIF. 6100 Wilshire Boulevard Suite 710. Los Angeles, California 90048-5117. 323-935-2211. info@wif.org. wif.org. Women's Movie TV Organizations at curli.org/n/arts/movies/organization/women_in_film_and_television. BAWFM.org. Bay Area Women in Film and Media. A professional network of Bay Area women in film and media. Facebook.com/women-in-film-and-South-Africa-WIF-TSA-1412703256764. Women in Film and Television South Africa. WIPSA is a network interested in the professional development and empowerment of women in the film and television industry. Facebook.com/RealWomen. Real Women. Non-profit organization formed for the purposes of developing a permanent support system for women at all levels of experience in the film and video industries. Facebook.com/WIPTIN, Women in Film and Television in Nigeria. 635-9385. A membership-based non-profit organization to recognize and support the women working in Nigerian screen-based and other media. HawaiiWomenInFilmmaking.org. Hawaii Women in Filmmaking. A non-profit feminist organization committed to achieving gender equity in filmmaking and other creative media arts. KCWIFT.com. Kansas City Women in Film and TV. Empowering. Promoting and mentoring women in film and related careers. MNWIFT.org. Minnesota Women in Film and Television. Sharing ideas and connections and creating momentum to benefit careers. NMWIF.com. New Mexico Women in Film, TV and Media. A New Mexico-based outreach network committed to the professional development and achievement of women in the film and television community. New York WIFT.org. Women in Film and Television. New York. Nonprofit. Professional membership organization for women working in the film and television industries in New York. PeaceWIF.org. Palm Springs Women in Film and Television. To advance women and men involved in the entertainment, communication and media industries and attracting new jobs. Investment and production to the Coachella Valley. UTWOMENINFILM.com. Utah Women in Film. Provides opportunities. Education. Networking and mentoring programs for women filmmakers in the community. Worldwide Women in Film and Television Organization and Chapters. WIFTI.net, Women in Film and Television International. A global network advancing professional development and achievement for women working in film, video and other screen-based media. WFTV.org.uk. Women in Film and Television UK. A membership organisation for women working in creative media in the UK. WIFT Canada Coalition.ca, WIFT Canada Coalition. A group of WIFT chapters across Canada, WIFT Atlantic, FCTMN, Quebec, WIFT Toronto, WIFT Alberta, and WIFT Vancouver, and Women in View. WIFT-at.com, WIFT, Atlantic Canada. WIFT.co.in. WIFT Mumbai. WIFT.com, Women in Film and Television, Toronto. WIFT.se/in-English. Women in Film and Television in Sweden. WIFTA.ca, Women in Film and Television Alberta. Alberta, Canada. WIFTaustralia.org.au, WIFT Australia. WIFTNSW.org.au. NSW. WIFTNZ.org.nz, WIFT New Zealand. WIFTvic.com.au. Victoria. Womeninfilm.ca. Women in Film and Television Vancouver. United States Women's Film Organizations at curlie.org/n/arts/movies/women_film_and_television/United_States. Womeninfilm.org. A professional organization founded in Los Angeles in 1973. WIFChicago.net. Facebook.com/WomenInFilmChicago, Women in Film Chicago. MNWIFT.org, Minnesota Women in Film and Television. New York WIFT.org, Women in Film and Television, New York. PeaceWIF.org, Palm Springs Women in Film and Television. WIFDallas.org. Women in Film. Dallas. WIFMKC.org, Kansas City Women in Film and TV. WIFMPIT.org. Women in Film and Media Pittsburgh. WIFPDX.org. Women in Film Portland. WIFT-Houston.org. Women in Film and Television Houston, Texas. WIFTA.org. Atlanta. WIFTLouisiana.org. WIFT Louisiana. WIFTNashville.org. Nashville Women in Film and Television. WIFV.org. Washington, D.C. WomeninFilmFL.org. Central Florida. WomeninFilmSeattle.org. Seattle. WomeninFilmVideo.org. Organization promoting women in the media in New England.